Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt with the Instant Pot. Preferably, you need liters of full cream milk. Put in the pot on a hot stove. You need to increase the temperature to 83 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. We do that to help the milk protein to denature and coagulate. So that's the state of changing liquid to the solid state. So when your yogurt reaches to 83 degrees Celsius, you need to keep it for 10 minutes and then turn off the heat. And wait for the temperature to go down to around 42 or 43 degrees Celsius. In that stage, you put the pot back in the Instant Pot. I'll set my one to 12 hours. You need 3 or 4 spoons of yogurt. Add some of those hot milk to your yogurt and mix. And pour it on top of the milk. Close the lid. We don't want to interfere with the process. We just put it on the seal mode and let it go. So for mine, after 10 hours, I checked it and it is fully set. We don't want to disturb the yogurt in this stage. We take it out, we let it cool. And after that, we put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. And now you can move it to different containers to keep it in the fridge. Very simple, and you can use the same yogurt to make another batch when you run out again. The stage of heating the milk is very important for your final product. So just pay attention to your temperature. I will put the link to that wireless thermometer in the description. That's an affiliate link, so if you buy from my link, I may get some commission from Amazon. That helps us to grow this channel more. Please click like and subscribe if you like the content. We will have a lot of more content coming soon. So hopefully this video helps some people in making beautiful, delicious yogurt. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.